What's up everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. These cameras are ideal for those who are new to photography or videography and want to learn and improve. They are user-friendly, have amazing features, and deliver high-quality results. You can find the links to these cameras in the description below. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our list of the 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6000. This camera has a compact design, weighing only 344 grams, making it perfect for travel and outdoor photography. The camera has an ultra-fast autofocus that makes it easy to capture fast-moving subjects with precision. It also has a full manual control for creative photography and simple sharing and control with Wi-Fi and NFC One Touch. Sony Alpha A6000 has a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers high-quality images with excellent detail and color reproduction. The camera also has an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, which makes it perfect for low-light photography. If you're looking to live stream with OBS, you can plug the camera's HDMI video output into your computer using an Elgato Cam Link 4K device. Most cameras don't have a full-size HDMI output, so you'll also need to buy a mini or micro HDMI to HDMI adapter cable. The camera also has a built-in flash that can be used in low-light conditions. It also has a tiltable LCD screen that makes it easy to take selfies and shoot from different angles. In conclusion, Sony Alpha A6000 is an excellent choice for photographers who want a compact camera that delivers high-quality images and videos. With its fast autofocus, full manual control, and built-in flash, it's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects and creative photography. Number 4. Nikon D3500. This camera is an entry-level DSLR that was launched at the end of 2018 as a modest update to the evergreen Nikon D3400. It's a basic-looking camera with a fixed rear screen and no 4K video, but it has all the manual controls that photography newbies will need, and its image quality is really very good. The camera features a guide mode that will essentially teach you how to shoot in various situations. Nikon's renowned XPED image processing system is built upon a rich history of imaging know-how, and it helps the D3500 take beautifully vibrant photos and videos in nearly any condition. The D3500 doesn't have a switch between NTSC and PAL modes, but you can toggle that by selecting the frame rate. In other words, if you want to shoot NTSC compatible video, use the 60, 30, or 24 frames per second modes. If you want to shoot PAL compatible video, shoot at 50 or 25 frames per second. The camera has an APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.2 megapixels that captures stunningly sharp images with lifelike colors and rich details. The sensor also has an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, which means you can capture great photos even in low light conditions. In conclusion, if you're looking for an entry-level DSLR that has all the manual controls you need and takes great photos and videos in nearly any condition, then the Nikon D3500 is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Nikon Z50. The camera has an APS-C sensor behind its new, larger Z lens mount. The wider mount means more light, and more light means more of everything good: sharpness, contrast, focusing speed, low light performance, and image quality. The Nikon Z50 is designed to attract a generation of users who don't consider themselves to be photographers. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. It also has a flip-down touchscreen that makes it easy to take selfies or vlogs. One of the best things about the Nikon Z50 is its autofocus system. It has 209 focus points that cover almost the entire frame, making it easy to get sharp focus on your subject. It also has eye detection AF, which automatically focuses on your subject's eyes. The camera has a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers excellent image quality with great detail and color reproduction. It also has an ISO range of 100 to 51,200, which means you can shoot in low light conditions without worrying about noise. The Nikon Z50 has a fast continuous shooting speed of up to 11 frames per second, which makes it great for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. Nikon has announced 2 lenses designed for this sensor size: a 16 to 50 mm f3.5 to 6.3 collapsible lens and a 50 to 250 mm f4.5 to 6.3 telephoto zoom lens. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which makes it easy to transfer photos and videos wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet. In conclusion, if you're looking for a compact and lightweight camera that delivers great image quality and has an excellent autofocus system, then the Nikon Z50 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. One of the standout features of this camera is its 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor allows you to capture stunning images with incredible detail and clarity. Additionally, the camera uses Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF autofocus system, which ensures that your photos and videos are always in focus. Another great feature of this camera is its vari-angle touchscreen LCD. This screen can be tilted and rotated to help you get the perfect shot from any angle. It's also great for reviewing your photos and videos after you've taken them. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 can shoot up to 4K video at 24p, which means that you can capture stunning footage that looks amazing on any screen. Whether you're shooting a vlog or a short film, this camera has everything you need to get the job done. In addition to these features, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This means that you can easily transfer your photos and videos to your phone or computer without having to use any cables. The camera also has a built-in microphone that allows you to capture high-quality audio along with your video footage. If you want even better audio quality, you can attach an external microphone using the camera's 3.5mm microphone jack. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is an excellent camera that offers a lot of value for its price. If you're looking for a high-quality camera that won't break the bank, then this is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Olympus OM-D EM10 Mark IV. The Olympus OM-D EM10 Mark IV is an entry-level mirrorless camera that offers impressive image quality with fantastic dynamic range and good noise handling capability. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around, and has a tilting screen that can flip down to face you when holding it in a selfie position. The camera also has in-body 5-axis image stabilization capable of 4.5 shutter speed steps of compensation. It includes 16 art filters, 31 types, which includes new instant film for a nostalgic feel. The camera has a touch screen that rotates forward for selfie mode and 31 built-in image filters. The selfie mode automatically turns on when the monitor is flipped down. The camera also has a built-in flash that can be used as a fill light in low light situations. It also includes a pop-up flash that can be used as a fill light in low light situations. The Olympus OM-D EM10 Mark IV has a maximum shutter speed of 1/16,000th of a second. It also has a maximum ISO of 25,600, which makes it great for low light photography. The camera has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity which allows you to easily transfer photos to your smartphone or tablet. In conclusion, the Olympus OM-D EM10 Mark IV is an entry-level mirrorless camera that offers impressive image quality with fantastic dynamic range and good noise handling capability. That's all for our video on the 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023. We hope you liked it and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.